My name is Nisreen. I'm from Palestine, Gaza. I survived 6 months of the ongoing genocide in Gaza, but evacuated in March to Egypt, and currently now I'm doing my master's in public health in the UK. Even though I survived physically, I left my country and I left my family in Gaza. Until this day, I'm still mentally there, suffering with them and living every moment they live there. My journey was like nothing but difficult. It's like actually a nightmare that happened to me. So before October 7th, I was working as a dentist in Gaza. I was doing food blogging sometimes. I lived with my husband like in a small house, and I had my family beside me as well. But then suddenly all of this changed, and to be honest, it was gone. My house was destroyed. My family house was destroyed as well, and we found ourselves suddenly displaced in the south of Gaza. Ever since then, my life has completely changed. I lost everything I worked for my entire life, and it's not easy at all. And then there, we lived 6 months in a new area. We didn't have any of our things, and we didn't have electricity, we didn't have internet, and all these kind of stuff. And suddenly we found ourselves looking for food, looking for water, and all life necessities. Even though with all the challenges and all the struggle that I faced, I was persistent to look into my future and work towards it. So I had to take like a 30-minute walk to another place that have an internet just to apply for the universities. And even for like one university, I just remember that applying for example, the university that I'm in now took me 1 week or so just to finish the application itself, because we didn't have the internet. So my goal was like applying for as many applications that I can do back then. So I ended up applying for 5 universities and like 7 scholarships. For us Palestinian, education has been a source of hope, and but also a way to rebuild our country. So by doing my master's, I hope to return one day to Gaza and help rebuild the community there and rebuild the education system. And the message that I want to send is that no matter the struggles and the challenges and the destruction that they are trying to put on us, we are still determined to build and be back to Gaza again. So now they are also trying to destroy our future, and this is the most important part for us, and I think for them as well, and that's why they are trying to kill and destroy as many universities and many schools as they can. So when I was in Rafah, 3 or 4 months after the genocide started, I just realized how everything was destroyed, including our healthcare system. So that's why I decided to do public health. And at some point of the genocide, after 6 months of living it, our survival instinct was hitting very hard, and we decided to evacuate to Egypt. My journey from Gaza to Egypt was so painful. During that journey, I just realized that I left my family and I left my country, and that feeling of guilt never left me when I was in Egypt. And until this day, it felt like for all the time I spent there, I was like living inside of Gaza, but not in Gaza as well. I was worrying about my family, worrying about my country, worrying about all the memories, all the things that I've known for my entire life being destroyed in front of my eyes on the TV and on the news, and I couldn't do anything far away. My journey from Egypt to London was like really surreal. I never thought in my entire life that I'm gonna be here while the genocide is still going. I met so many people who were really supportive and really pro-Palestine, and that made the journey easier here. Many students of Gaza have been deprived from their right to education, even though it's supposed to be protected by the international law. And For me personally, my 3 sisters who are still in Gaza at the moment lost their opportunity to complete their university education, their high school education. Being here today, despite all the challenges and the struggles that I've been through, still feels so powerful to me because I got a message to deliver, and I plan to raise awareness as much as I can here, to just not be connected with the pro-Palestinian society, but also in other parts of the society here, and let them know more about Palestine.